Welcome. This is your time to slow down, to soften, and to reconnect with the part of you that is always worthy of kindness. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your hands rest naturally and allow your eyes to gently close. Take a deep breath in through the nose and let it go through the mouth. Again, inhale slowly. Exhale fully. Let your breath begin to settle into its natural rhythm. As you breathe, bring gentle awareness to your body. Notice the contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body being supported. No need to hold anything up. Now slowly scan through your body. Notice your forehead, your jaw. Let them soften. Notice your shoulders. Allow them to drop just a little. Continue scanning down. Bring your attention to your chest, your stomach. No need to change anything, just noticing with care. Then slowly scan all the way down to your feet. Now, bring to mind a recent moment when you were hard on yourself. Maybe a small mistake, a feeling of falling short. Nothing overwhelming, just something that still lingers. As you remember it, notice how it feels in the body. Tension, tightness, warmth, whatever is present, simply acknowledge it. Yes, this is here. Now imagine speaking to yourself as you would to a dear friend going through the same thing. You might say something like, "It's okay to feel this way. You were doing the best you could. You are still worthy of love." You may even place a hand over your heart or another part of the body that feels tense. Let that hand be a symbol of comfort and care. Stay with this feeling for a moment. No rushing. Just being here for you. Now I invite you to repeat these phrases, silently or aloud. Whatever feels right. I will say each one twice. I am learning to treat myself with kindness. I am learning to treat myself with kindness. I am human, and that is enough. I am human, and that is enough. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. I am worthy of compassion, especially from myself. I am worthy of compassion, especially from myself. May I be gentle with my thoughts. May I be gentle with my thoughts. May I meet myself with warmth and love. May I meet myself with warmth and love. Let any words that resonate settle deeply into your being. If a phrase feels distant or difficult, that's okay too. Compassion includes all parts of the journey, even resistance. Now allow yourself to rest in silence for a little while. Breathing in kindness, breathing out tension. Let your body absorb the care you've offered yourself. There's nothing to do, nothing to fix. Just being here is enough. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the air on your skin, the sounds around you. Move your hands and feet gently. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. And remember, self-compassion is not a one-time act. It's a practice, a way of being, a gift you can always return to. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe for more.